In this example, we're going to create a histogram to display the data right here. So we're just sorting the data out, and we're going to tally it in this table, and then we're going to make a graph based on this table. So first of all, we're going to count how many of these numbers are in this category. Okay, so from 20 to 40, we have the first number is 32. So 32, and then we have 31, 39, 33, and that's it. So then you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers that's in the first category. Okay, so we put 4 as the frequency. Now we're going to look at the second category from 40 to 60. So 50 is here, 42, 45, 49, 55, 51, and that's it. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 numbers that's between 40 and 60. And then we look at 60 to 80. So the first number would be 68, 67, 61, 75, 62, 64, 64 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 numbers. That's between 60 and 80. Okay, and then from 80 to 100, we have 96 and 82. So that's only 2 numbers. And then we have the rest of these 3 numbers. These are all in the last category. They're between 100 and 120. So that's 3. Okay, so you can see that we're just counting how frequent a number, how frequent it is for numbers that will show up in certain categories, right? And then as we go, we would want to cross out these numbers so that at the end we can see if we missed any one of them. Okay, so that's the first step. So one thing to notice is sometimes, see these categories, there's a number that's repeating. So let's say that we have 40 as part of these numbers. Well, where do we put it? It could be here or here. Now by default in histograms we would count it as the first category. Okay, but we don't have this problem here though, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so the next step is to make a graph based on these numbers. Okay, so first we need to think, okay, so from 20 to 40, we're going to put 20 to 40, and the frequency is 4. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's basically that's what we're going to try to do for the rest of the numbers. So maybe when you first start graphing, you want to put down all these numbers first. Okay, and then you would put in each frequency. So from 40 to 60, the frequency is 6. So before we had 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So now 5, 6. So it goes up to here. Okay, and then 60 to 80, we have 7. So 7 goes up here. 80 to 100, we have only 2. So it goes back down here. And then 100 to 120 is 3. 3 is right here. Okay, that's it. That's how we make a histogram.